That is my friend Mangani over there. These days, he is overworking himself to raise money to buy the bus as agreed with the owner. Mangani isn't working this hard only for himself. He has children, like Chimwemwe, the apple of his eye. Chimwemwe is a smart girl. Ni mwana wanzelu muskulu. They even had her start school early. Now that she isn't at school, Chimwemwe is an avid COVID-19 news follower. She knows all the guidelines for keeping safe. Chimwemwe sees herself as the COVID-19 protection enforcer of her family.
No, wait. You're supposed to wash your hands before you go inside.
She checks that everyone's hands are washed and surfaces are disinfected.
Do you really have to go?
My baby, I have to make as much money as I possibly can so that I can buy the bus.
But you need to stay at home.
Chimwemwe, that's not possible. My goal is to make life better for you and your brother. And I'm doing all this so that you can have a good education, okay?
I pass in school.
Chimwemwe, that's the reason why I am working hard. Eh? That is the whole reason why I am working hard. Anyway, you understand better when you get older. Eh? I know what's best for us. It is my responsibility to protect you and your brother, okay?
If you're protecting us, you wouldn't risk getting COVID-19 to us, which is why people need to stay at home.
The innocence of youth. They make everything so simple, don't they? We all remember that time in our life when things were simple. Life seems to carry on as normal. Mangani doing his bus routes, his goal so close to being accomplished. On this particular night, he gets home, tired from a long night, only to find Chimwemwe not looking well. Chimwemwe was born asthmatic. Mangani knows the signs of an attack all too well. But something about this seems different. He rushes to her only to find mwana tupilapya.
This is very high. Take him back to hospital, Daddy.
Daddy, go 9009 face.
No, mommy, you don't have COVID-19. Eh? You stay at home all the time. You wash your hands, you wear the mask. You have done everything that the minister has given in his directives. It's just something else, eh? Say attack.
Wait, I know when it's an asthma attack, it's not the one.
Daddy, please.
afraid to inform you that your daughter has tested positive to COVID-19. According to government guidelines, we need to track the contacts.
Mangani isn't a dull man. He just failed to listen this one time. He didn't pay attention to the fact that even without symptoms, one can still have COVID-19. The innocence of youth is a reminder to us that life can be simple and life is precious. We all have choices, even when we think we don't.
Hello, boss. I won't be able to come today, eh? I need to clean the bus, disinfect it, get it ready for the directive that the government gave on the coronavirus.
Every day, we have to think about what if we do things differently. We aren't living in normal times. Now more than ever, we need to think about not just ourselves, but the people around us. We can save many lives if we choose to prevent COVID-19 infection in our communities. If each one of us commits ourselves to preventing the spread of the virus.
Stay at home if you can, but if you have to work, make sure you stay safe. Wear a mask when in public. Keep a distance between you and other people by at least 1 meter. Do not shake hands or give hugs. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water for 20 seconds. If you are a business owner or bus conductor, make sure people wash their hands or sanitize before entering. If you feel ill or suspect you've been exposed to COVID-19, stay home and call toll-free 909. It's all our responsibility to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Zambian National Public Health Institute, with the support of the American people through the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, through the USAID Discover Health Project.